Hello everybody, this is Eugene Lisho, and welcome to the Bloodstain Ellipse Marking Research Study. I'm going to walk you through very quickly how to mark the bloodstains and use this particular website. It's really simple. So what we're going to do here is on the landing page, you'll need to go to this particular link here, https://bloodsstains.herokuapp.com, and that'll take you to this particular website. So here, by clicking proceed, you're just acknowledging that you're going to participate in this particular study, and I'm going to do that. And then what you're going to do is add your full name here. So I'll just type in my full name and your experience level. So if you're an absolute beginner, you can hit 1. If you're familiar and trained in BPA, you can hit 5. If you are a 30-year veteran, experienced in teaching and everything else, you can hit 10. And you can add your email address. Click Next. So what you're going to have is a series of images. There's 18 images in total that will come up, and what you're going to need to do is mark them. So the way this works is when you first click on the bloodstain, you click on the leading edge like this, and you'll see that you've engaged the ellipse marking tool. And I'm going to move somewhere to the back, which is the trailing edge. I'm going to click again, and now I can start adjusting the width. I'll click one more time, approximately on the width like this. I'll click, and then the ellipse has been set. Now I can pan by right-clicking, and I can zoom by using the mouse wheel. So I can get some fine adjustment here, and I can move in and out this way. Okay, I can adjust the controller here this way. You can position the ellipse by moving it this way around if you have to. You can also adjust the back end, and you can also rotate the ellipse. So that would be the gamma angle. So if you click on this, you can rotate this way. So once you do that, there's a series of 18 images. And you just keep doing the same thing, clicking on the leading edge, going on the back end, and continue through. And these will cycle through up to 18. So once you've cycled through all the bloodstains, you'll get to a review page. And once you're here, you can go through all the ellipses, scroll through, and you can make adjustments. Now, I didn't mark all of them properly, but you get the idea. You can click on any of these images, move the ellipses around, and then make adjustments. And once you're finally done, all you have to do is just hit Submit Results, and that's it.